Excel Academy in Las Vegas has a spectacular summer teaching program. Is it worth it? Absolutely! Let's explore it together. In this program, there are 4 categories. Let's first take a look at the hybrid courses. Okay. This is a class that combines several subjects, which helps your child develop the ability to think creatively and solve problems. Next is our review and preview courses. There are no shortcuts to learning, we all know that. Steady effort is the answer. Reviewing and previewing are the most important steps to get to the next level. Oh, I'm so sorry, I just got an email. Speaking of the next level, I just got an email from Excel Academy. I got a promotion. Thanks, Excel. Now, let's move on to our advanced prep courses. Right there. Is your child preparing to enter a top-tier college? Well, then it's not time to be lazy. Many students regret not preparing early. And I'm so sorry, I gotta put this thing on silent. Hello? Oh, you're here already? Great, I'll be right there. Awesome. My lunch is early. Yesterday, I ordered too late and couldn't eat my food. Total bummer. See? Preparing early is worth it. But before I grab my food, let's look at the last category, fun classes. This is specifically for pre-K through 2nd grade. How cute, gotta love that age. They'll start learning in a welcoming and fun environment, which sets them up for success in future classes. To learn even more about our summer program, be sure to visit the website